Retirement on your terms, debt doesn't have to follow you. Picture this. You've paid off your debt, your spouse is home, and you're enjoying your days instead of working through them and stressing every day. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom and a grandmother who was unable to retire at the age of 70. My husband was still working at the age of 75, and we both were exhausted. I knew if something didn't change, we'd still be grinding in our 80s. No, thank you. That's when I discovered a better way. Passive income built from home in just a couple hours a day. Here's how I made it work. For starters, choose the right product. I didn't create anything from scratch. I wouldn't even know how. I promoted a program that already worked and aligned with my values too. Next, sell with your story. Everyone has their own story in life. People connect with real life experiences. I shared and still do exactly where I was and still am in some cases, and why I wanted change, not a fake perfect life. Baloney. Last, keep costs low. I use tools under $100 a month to run everything, my funnel, emails, and follow-ups. It's automation too. The reality is, retiree poverty has risen by 20% in the past 3 years. People over 60 are the fastest growing group building income online. Smart. A small, steady income can be the difference between retiring with peace or retiring broke. Your choice. I'm still paying off debt, but I'm doing it on my terms. And my husband won't have to work forever. Oh, thank God. Comment, freedom. If you want the same blueprint I follow daily, it's not hard, and I'm certified to mentor and help you through it. You've worked too hard for too long to spend the rest of your life stressed about money. Let's change that together. Comment, freedom, and I'll send you everything. Here's a quote. Debt is a trainer, not a life sentence. You get stronger stepping through it versus staying in it. And check it out. Go to my bio and my link and shoot me an email. I'll answer it. Definitely.